According to the contractor, this is a 3-day project. So day 1 is now over, and we will see what they did for today. Notice this pile of rocks is a little higher. That's part of the wall that was torn down. And you can see down below the wall that is no longer. They have the first row in. That will be wall number 1, and they've pretty much cleared out, ready to start on wall 2 tomorrow. Still a long way to go. So this gives us an idea lots of rock here. Most of it they hope they're going to use for backfill, so we don't have to backfill it with dirt. It's looking good. And that's a lot of rock. According to the contractor, what he did today was the hardest part of the whole wall. So we should see more progress tomorrow. And if it is going to be a 3-day project, we should see lots of progress for tomorrow. We'll see. No hurry. This large hole you see in front of you is the main culprit of why the wall fell over to begin with. It used to be a tree many years ago. As the tree grew taller, wider, it slowly pushed the wall and finally pushed the wall enough that it completely pushed it over. So there will be a lot of backfill here using all this rock. And there'll be a lot of the rock used to backfill behind the wall. So it's coming along.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.